Hi guys, welcome back to Baking with Liv. I'm Olivia, and today we're going to be making that wonderful, it says it's a breakfast food. Does it really? You know what I'm talking about. Donuts. We're going to be making donut cookies, not real donuts. Although maybe in a different video we'll do that. So, to start off with, you're going to have to make up some donut shaped cookies. Now what I used are these cookie cutters that I got from Amazon, and I'll link them below. You see it has, I think it has 9 cutters in here, 9 or 10 cutters. And I used this cutter with this one to cut the hole out of the center. If you don't have these cutters, don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. Just cut out a circle, and then you can use a small piping tip to cut out, like use the back of the piping tip to cut out the small circle inside, or you can just kind of freehand it. It's a donut. It doesn't have to be perfect, and you know that's what we like on this channel. So let's get started. All right, so what we're gonna have these cookies, like I said, your circle donut cookies, and we're gonna have royal icing. We're gonna do 4 different colors this time. We're going to use purple, pink, yellow, and this bright blue. I just love this bright blue. Now, we're also going to be putting sprinkles on top. And one of my favorite sprinkle companies is Fancy Sprinkles. This is called Party Monster. And I just love all the colors in here. I'm going to take those right now and I'm going to pour them in a little bowl. They're going to get everywhere, don't worry. There we go. And we might possibly at the end bring out my favorite and yours, glitter. Because I think everything needs glitter. So, the first color we're going to start out with is purple. Now, for this, like I said, you don't have to do this. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything. And we're actually just going to ice our frosting on a bare cookie. Some people will go back and they'll actually ice it in a light tan brown that you kind of see for donuts, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to ice on the bare cookie. Make it as simple as possible. Make it easy on yourself. And these are our final cookies. I think they just look so pretty and bright and happy. And I love them so much. So I hope you enjoyed that video today. If you did, hit the like button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Next time we'll be back with some really cute cookies. I really love doing bennies, and it will be our first segment of our monthly Benny cookie decorating. So, we'll see you next time. Bye!